An abstract is a summary of a research paper, provides a quick overview of the study. This video provides you 31 tips to write an effective and catchy abstract. Abstract should be written in clear, concise, easy to understand, well-organized and follow a logical structure. A well-written abstract attract readers, increase visibility and citation, improve the clarity and paper organization, enhance paper acceptance and research funding. Avoid the following 16 things to write an abstract. 1. Don't include too much detail. An abstract should be a summary of your paper, not a detailed outline. 2. Don't use jargon or technical terms. Use clear and concise language easy for readers to understand. 3. Don't use passive voice. Use active voice to make your writing more engaging and easier to understand. 4. Don't make unsupported claims or conclusions. Only summarize the findings of your study, not make unsupported new claims. 5. Don't include any references or citations. Abstracts should be self-contained and not require readers to refer to other sources. 6. Don't use overly complex sentence structures. Use simple language to convey your ideas. 7. Don't repeat information unnecessarily. Be concise and selective in what you include in the abstract. 8. Don't use bullet points or numbered lists. Use these formatting elements only if they help clarify and organize your ideas. 9. Don't use vague or general statements. Aim for precision and clarity in your language. 10. Don't use abbreviations or acronyms. Explain any unfamiliar terms or concepts in full. 11. Don't forget to include the main findings. Abstracts should provide a clear overview of the key takeaways and conclusions from your research. 12. Don't use contractions. Use full words instead of contractions to make your writing more formal. 13. Don't start every sentence with the same word or phrase. Vary your sentence structure to make your writing more engaging and exciting. 14. Don't use complicated or uncommon words. Use familiar words and avoid using complex language. 15. Don't use excessive capitalization or exclamation points. These can make your writing appear unprofessional. 16. Don't use too many adjectives or adverbs. Use them sparingly to avoid overloading your writing with unnecessary words. Follow the 15 tips to write an effective and catchy abstract. 1. Use a strong opening sentence. Opening sentence should grab the reader's attention and make them want to read more. 2. Clearly state the purpose and motivation of the study. Abstract should clearly explain the research problem and the study's overall motivation and research goal. 3. Outline the main findings. Summarize the study's primary results, including any significant trends or patterns that emerged as a conclusion. 4. Emphasize the implications of the study. Explain the impacts of the study for the field and for practitioners. 5. Summarize the main points of the paper. Provide a brief overview of the main points, research problem, research methods, findings and conclusions. 6. Describe the research methods. Provide a brief research methods, including the sample size, data collection techniques, and any statistical analyses performed. 7. Be well organized and easy to follow. Abstracts should be well organized and easy to follow. Use transitional phrases to guide the readers. 8. Think about your audience. Ensure that your abstract is written for them and addresses their interests and concerns. 9. Keep it focused. Abstracts should only cover the most important points of your paper. Do not try to include too much information. 10. Use clear and concise language. Avoid jargon or technical terms and use simple language to explain your research and its findings. 11. Use active voice. Active voice makes writing more engaging and easier to understand, and it also helps to emphasize the role of the researcher. 12. Use strong verbs. Choose descriptive verbs and convey your researcher's action or main idea. 13. Use concrete examples and specific data. Including specific examples and data make your abstract more compelling and persuasive. 14. Report the results in a smart way. Report the research outcomes as numerical numbers, times, fractions or percentages. 15. Proofread carefully. Proofread your abstract for spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors.